Hi guys, welcome back to your mama's kitchen. My name's Adrienne and today we're going to be making some New York brick oven style pizza. There are two ways to make the crust. The first way is to use a bread maker and the second way is to do it by hand. Mix all the ingredients into a bowl and transfer it into an oiled bowl, cover it with some plastic wrap and let it sit for about an hour. Today I'm going to be using a bread maker. So now we are going to bloom our yeast with our warm water. And we're just going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to put all our ingredients into the bread maker. That is our bread flour. And also our cold water. And I'm also going to add some garlic powder, basil, and some salt. The yeast mixture is now ready, so I'm going to add it to our bread machine. I'm going to close the bread maker and select the dough course. And I'm going to also select the quick setting. I'm going to press start, and it takes about 45 minutes. While the dough is getting ready, I'm going to teach you how to make the sauce. It starts off by using a can of crushed tomatoes. And we are going to add some olive oil, some sugar, oregano and basil, garlic powder and onion powder, some pepper, and some salt. I'm gonna give this a stir for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then I am going to put the lid on and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So now the dough is ready and I'm going to cut it into 2 pieces. Sprinkle some cornstarch over your parchment paper and then roll the dough. Roll it out really well. You want your crust to be pretty thin because it will rise when it is in the oven. Now you're going to poke holes onto your pizza dough. I'm going to be using a roller docker, but you can also use a fork. Now we're going to add our sauce. We're going to take a spoon and we're just going to spread it all over our pizza. Now add any of your favorite toppings. I like to use some olives, some tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and I also like to use basil. Now the pizza is ready and we're going to go put it in the oven. Make sure you have an adult help you because the oven is very hot. And now we're going to bake for about 6 to 7 minutes. The pizza is now ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.